Vikings, looking forward to another great school year and having you here. I just wanted to kind of give you some information about athletics here at East Hall High School. We have a plethora of sports for you to choose from, and it's proven that the more you're involved, the better we're going to be. I'm excited about the future of our East Hall athletics and where we've come and where we're going and all the various aspects that we're doing. I wanted to kind of give you just some ideas of some things we need to have you do in order to complete eligibility and be eligible at East Hall. One, I wanted to just give you an idea of the GHSA eligibility requirements. One, as an entering ninth grader, you're automatically eligible. Congrats. But understand that after every semester, you have to pass at least 5 out of 7 classes to be eligible. And that continues every semester as we move forward. Now, as a 10th grader, you need to have a total of 5 credits. As a junior, you need to have 11 credits. And as a senior, you need to have 17 total credits. And again, every half semester, you have to pass 5 out of 7 classes. So please understand that. That's important to know as you continue to move forward. Other things that I want you to know is if you can go to our website is ehhsvikingsathletics.com. It can also be found on our school's homepage. And there you'll have access to a couple of things. One, the GHSA physical. You have to have a new physical every school year in order to this, and this must be completed by a doctor. You can take that, and once you get it, you can turn it in directly to your coach, because it's a little easier for you to turn it in on Dragonfly than them. Speaking of Dragonfly, also on our website, if you click on Dragonfly, everybody must sign in to Dragonfly and get your information turned in. This is how it looks, and this is where it gets all the information needed for you to play sports. You must have all forms turned in, so please make sure everything is turned in and completed and ready to go. We look forward to having an outstanding school year. I really hope you're engaged. You can find your coaches on each of these sports tabs here and talk to them, or you can always talk to me, and I'll be glad to introduce you to them as well. So please get with your coaches, get your information turned in, make sure you're staying on top of your grades, and we look forward to you having another outstanding school year and athletics year at East Hall High School.